Wow, 7 a.m. is fucking early today. Holy shit, I can feel it. Okay. Morning, right. Beautiful. Got everything sorted now, wicked. Okay, so, yes. Let's put this on. Beautiful. So, welcome everyone. It's 7 a.m. It is a Thursday, the last trading day of the week because bank holidays are around, which is okay. So yeah, let me just move that there. So welcome everyone. Let's just do some analysis over here. Looking like GJ's coming back up. So wow, yeah, interesting.
Sent you a link of a AJ trade I'm just in.
Oh wow, nice. Looking good to continue. A little bit of minor resistance there, I suppose, but it looks pretty good. Nice zone.
Yeah, but if you look at it's the half hour, and the hourly is quite bullish.
Yeah.
So, and I have my stops below the 30-minute candle, and it's only 10 pips.
Yeah,
so,
that's nice.
So it has all the makings of a push upward. So it's just
Looks
I have
nice,
to keep an eye on my charts to manage it.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. Well, it looks pretty nice. We'll take a look at that in a sec. I'll see if I can see it as well on here, but it looks pretty good. So the daily candle right now closed very, very bullish, GJ. Very, very bullish. So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame pushing up, breaking the highs of the previous 4 hour. Very nice, very nice. Let's just put this here. I'll take a look in a second as well. Oh, for fuck's sake, have I missed the entry as well? Fucking how.
Yeah, but like I said, this one's coming back. It's retested the daily.
I took that one too.
Might be short.
Nice. Which one was this one then? Ah, yeah, okay, there. Oh, did you scrape 10 pips?
No. That's what I say. Today might be a VE. So.
Pretty close there to that resistance to the left there, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's that. So you see, it's this range in between that it goes. That's that candle that I'm always interested in. You know what I mean?
Yeah. That was a nice low wick as well. Yeah, that was nice. That was nice. Oh, I was thinking if I fucking missed the move 6:30, I haven't been up at 6:30. Like, fuck
You're never
that.
gonna get up.
Fuck that. Absolutely no way I'm getting up there. I opened my eyes today at like 10 to 7. I was like, holy fuck. I could sit into bed for like 30 minutes easily. Yeah, that was kind of nice. Closure above, a little minor resistance. That was pretty easy. So see if that continues.
I took basically the same thing, but I already got my 10 pips because I got in off that resistance or just below that resistance. So I got in basically at that level on this candle because it had closed above. I was like, okay, it closed above, and I was like, if I'm going to get in on the flip, what are my stops going to be? And then as it came down to sort of this point down here, I was like, okay, well, if I leave my stops behind down here at the 4-hour flip, it's almost the same sort of stops, and then I could get my 10 pips before the daily flip.
Yeah,
lovely.
That's nice, man.
Lovely
I've been looking
trade.
at that recently, man. The lower wick's nice, especially because you could have your stop there.
And you
Thanks
get
for that, Brian.
That candle just pushes hard. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let me just get my thing up. Yeah, that was pretty good, man. See if I can continue. Hopefully, it can. But yeah, let's take a look to the left of where we can continue. Wow, have we just filled that wick up? Yeah, we have. So we're in no man's zone again, pretty much. Great. So yeah, where did this move come out? Yeah, 2:30. 2:30 it started pumping over here. Yeah, that's kind of nice. that area there, 5 o'clock, was pretty good as well, because price came above the resistance here, closed above, made some support, take a buy like there, stop loss below. Oh, 16 pips stop, fucking hell. Let me just put something on here. There we go. Anyone watch the football yesterday? Holy shit. Oh my god. That was mad. So let me just put a little Instagram up here. Sent a gold loss in Discord I took this morning. Okay, I'll take a look at that. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. We are live now on YouTube. Come join the squad. I'll put the link here to join. I'll see you guys there. Yeah, the football match last night. Holy shit. I knew they were going to be aggressive, that team of foamy. Okay. What do you think about gold sell? Will be 4 hour and hourly flipping then. Let's take a look, right? So daily time frame. The daily is bearish right now. The last candle did close bullish though, so the overall trend is still bullish on gold. So I always take that in mind for sells, because it looks like maybe a lower wick and then it continues, probably more reasonable. However, let's see. So the 4 hours pushing down. Nice. The 4 hour is pushing down. Let me do that there. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. So the hourly actually closed below the support, which is kind of interesting. Let's take a look at the 30 minute. So 30 minutes wicked up a little bit over here. Interesting. So you can see there's also a resistance here as well. 1972. And a support. So yeah, I mean, sells below 1972.2 there could be kind of nice to continue, you know, probably down to 1966. So that could be interesting for sure, but I am just a bit cautious with the sells because I got screwed up on them yesterday. So, and I know that we're overall bullish. So, yeah, we'll see. But yeah, maybe closures back in this zone could be kind of nice to continue down. Very nice. Oh. Did he take profit there? Did it just hit it again? No. Okay, so, and then we have AJ, and then I'm gonna go get a nice drink. Okay, so AJ coming up to this resistance, still holding it. I didn't close above yesterday, so it's kind of a tricky situation for AJ, to be honest with you. I hate buying at the resistance, and it seems to be really struggling there. 4 hours in a bigger range now, which isn't the nicest. The hourly time frame and the 30-minute time frame are just in a little bit of a zone right now. So this is the support. This is the resistance. And it seems like it's just trading in that area, I think. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, the thing is there were buys above. I mean, you got 10 pips to this resistance, but it's kind of a small zone. You know, I like trading big zones, because the bigger the zones, the easier it is to get your 10 pips. So like this zone down here, it's kind of nice, like 34 pips. So I think that would be more interesting for me. Down 377, come down here 257. That's like 10 pips in that support. Yeah, probably actually here is probably the best option. So yeah, I see 20 pip zone. That could be okay. So we'll see. But yeah, we'll take a look on gold as well for the sells. So it looks like AJ and gold may have some sells. GJ looking very bullish still. So yeah, we'll have to see how far this wants to push. Just showing that this closure happened at fucking 6:30, man. Come on, man. I'd have been all over that. 6:30 though. I am not up at 6:30. I thought Atletico should have had a couple of penalties. Oh really? The game was so aggressive at the end. I knew there was gonna be like fights and stuff. Yeah, very, very interesting. Okay, let's take a look then at this gold trade that someone took and took a loss. Always want to take a look at the losers. The more losers you take, the better, because you can see how you went wrong. So we'll take a look at Discord. Why is it not loading? Is Discord broken? Okay, my Discord's broken right now. AJ chart for potential sells. Okay, let's take a look at this guy's Adnan's chart over here. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. So yeah, guys, this is the last trading day until Tuesday next week, because they're bank holidays. I don't touch bank holidays. There's no point. Especially this one. This one's fucking Easter, man. This is like a big one. So yeah, potential sells below 93,380. Daily and 4 hour bearish, and 4 hour candles are bearish. Yeah, beautiful. That's exactly what I'm looking at. So amazing work. Looks like you've done that nice.
Watch, we'll come back on Tuesday or whatever, and the markets will have just been absolutely running. Friday and Monday, there'll be all these perfect opportunities. It'll be like December all over again.
I mean, to be honest with you, we can have a look and just see in the mornings, and if there's anything, then great. If not, then just leave it. Because all you gotta do is just fucking look at it for like 10 minutes, and you can really find out. What about why do they have bank holidays? I think the whole world do, really. I think the whole world's having it, so.
Yeah, Easter's a global thing, so it's gonna be
Dead.
It's gonna be dead, yeah. I think the one place in the world, the one bank holiday in the world where it would make it dead the most is this one, so that's why I'm kind of chilling. Okay, let's take a look for. Oh, let's see if my Discord's working yet. No, great. But yeah, we'll take a look. We'll take a look. But I just feel, yeah, Easter's gonna be making the charts pretty slow. Will gold go up? That is the question. I think overall today it will. Yes. Where should it come up to? Well, the daily candle is finally closed above twice now. Where should it continue? Well, for me, it should continue to that resistance of 1997, which is 207 pips, 202 pips away over here. So, or 220. So yeah, I mean, all I'm probably gonna wait for is a little support to form, which may be happening around here. It's happened like 4 days in a row now, so yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Did you see Ted's Insta? No, I don't think so. Last night? I don't think I did.
Yeah, I think when it's like profit taking months and stuff like that in banks, I think that's on the lines that he was trying to get across. He must also speaks cryptic every now and then, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. He always speaks a bit cryptic, doesn't he? Oh yeah. What the fuck? Was it an American shuttle? What the fuck?
Because he's going to space.
Sell away, May. He's mad, man. A tip about gold for the month of May. Ooh, getting some tips. Okay, gold will go up. Gold 4 hour without top wick, just wait to see. Yeah, that's true. Potentially should flip above and make that top wick. Oh, that's kind of a nice 15 closure as well. Holy shit. I'll probably wait for the hourly. Maybe he gets a retest back at this level and then flips. Maybe. It's actually only 7:15. Shit. Yeah. So we'll see. So yeah, GJ's coming up. Did it come back and retest those highs? Nearly. Are you still in this, Brian?
That.
GJ.
No, that took me out.
I took you out.
Scott got it this morning. That's it.
Yeah.
That's okay. You get it every other bloody day.
When I saw it this morning, I was like, ooh, another one.
I closed my AJ buy at break even because it didn't want to run. Position was open for 50 minutes and still only at entry, so closed at 1 pip. Ah, nice.
Yeah, I don't like it if it hasn't moved significantly in under 15 minutes. That's not the right time to be in it.
Yeah.
Of course, now it's probably gonna launch, but hey,
that's
I'd rather
good though,
take a
man.
break even than a lot.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, when you like feel that price is not moving how you'd want it, you just fucking leave it. You're like, yeah, this is not moving the way I want to. Someone's saying
I've traded AJ enough, but
yeah.
15 minutes and still no more than 1 pip profit. That's too long, even for AJ.
Yeah.
You know it's slow, but
No, that's slow.
this is like this is too long.
Yeah. I can't check Discord, man. It's broken. It doesn't fucking let me. I'm trying to click on it, but it's just not loading up. It's just not loading up, man. So yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, I mean, I've got buys above probably in GJ if that happens. AJ's looking a bit crap because it's at the high resistance. And gold over here, we'll have to see what support's forming, maybe. That's probably what I'm gonna look for. But remember, it is the last day, like, before this holiday, so, you know, it's like being on a Friday and me relax over here. How much news have we got today? Oh, shit. Yeah, we got a lot of news again. Oh, it's gonna be annoying for Nas again, even though that worked out nicely. Oh, shit, AUD holiday. Oh, no. This is later on, I think. Oh, yeah.
It's still running.
Yeah. So yeah, some more fucking news for Naz over here. But yeah, we'll see. Who did you say took that Naz trade yesterday, Brian?
I think it's Ron. Is it not? Is his name not Ron?
Ron, yeah. He took it. Nice.
Yeah, I think he said just afterward that he took it.
Ah, that's nice. I saw that
Did
support.
Stefan
It's still
take it
running,
in?
eh? Like if you were in that trade and you had a runner, you still in.
Wow.
It's 350 pips still without coming close to entry.
Wow, fucking hell. That ain't too bad. That ain't too bad at all. So yeah, we'll see. I'm not really...
I took that trade and I got 76 pips.
Nice.
I'm driving the car. So
Very nice. Very nice, Roddy. 76. But how much was a stop?
29.
Nice. Fucking hell. That ain't too shabby. That's not bad at all. Did you
And
get...
if you stayed on the charts after, there was actually a potential re-entry position as well. So you could have, whoever likes scaling in or whatever, could have scaled in another position. Which
Wow.
that would also, I checked this morning, that would be up now another 110 pips.
Wow.
So
Not
yesterday's one was nice.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So GJ flipping this daily made a nice low wick as well. Oof. Let's go into the moon again. But yeah, I mean, for me, the only entry would have been like there, yeah. and it would have probably hit me out of break even. So that's okay. AUDJPY on the 30-minute made some support. I'm trying to think of how you could have got in a bit lower here, but the price action was pretty bad. Yeah, pretty bad. So yeah, nothing much. Yeah, if you send me a chart through Discord, because I can't get into Discord right now, just send me the link on here on the chat, and I'll take a look at it. Have we hit 1 second? Have we hit 4,000? No, 4,500 subscribers. Yeah, I want to see.
There you go, Max. There's one of them from Discord from Tenuila or something.
Nice.
Then there's another one here, but they've just posted the photo and not the link.
Nice. Okay, so this is gold. Yeah, candle close above for buys. Yeah, candle close below for sells. Yeah, wicked. Looks pretty interesting. That sell below is going to be quite nice. I also think that this area there, here, could act as a support to continue. So, gotta keep an eye on that because that's like 70 pips to the resistance. So it could be kind of nice. We'll have to see. Okay, this is the gold loss then. Okay, so took an onion buy at this 30-minute support, a 13 pip stop at the current candle low, and the new 4-hour kind of stopped me out. I didn't get to set my stop loss to break even because I walked away. Okay. So you actually got into about 8 pips profit, I think. 8 pips profit. Okay. And when was this done? Was this the start of the new 4-hour, did you say? What time was this taken? Because I think you're in a different time zone to me. Yeah, you are. Let's take a look at where this was. Was it on the 15-minute? No, it was on the... Where was it? 30-minute. Oh, there. Yeah, let's see, look on the 4-hour. Did it close right there? Yeah, it closed rejecting. The 4-hour closed right on that level. Rejecting. I think for me, look, this is 6 o'clock, 5:30. There's no volume on gold at that area, really. Well, there's volume, but there's no trades that we want to take at that time. I think you've just looked at the charts a bit too early. Yeah, and you haven't like retested any support. Oh no, you did there, I suppose, but you didn't really like sit on them. Like, I like the body of the candles to relax on them first, and then you could look for buys later. But I think the only issue that happened there was that your entry was just too early, 5:30, because like support forming could be nice down here in like an hour or so, but I think 5:30 there's no volume, so yeah, remember about that, man. The time's so important. Like, so much important that if I saw a move and I wasn't in my time zone, I wouldn't take it, because it's just not, I don't know how it moves in that time. So yeah. Ooh, I get a drink, man. People in the mentorship, today we're going to be doing the simulation later on. I'm going to do a later on one, so probably maybe like 3 or 4 o'clock my time. So we'll do that, and then tomorrow we're going to go through the homework. So that'll be Gucci. Please check my chart. I can't see your chart, man. If you send the full link, the YouTube doesn't let you see it. You gotta send just the like the last bit. Yeah, I can't see the chart right now, man. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, looking like AJ still continuing, but it is looking pretty slow. Where did you get in there? Get in there, Vincent. Was it a bit higher up? Oh no, yeah, on the 15-minute. Yeah, it's not too bad, not too bad. Flipping the daily now, nice work. I really want AJ to clear this fucking resistance, man. Look at the rejection wicks of these areas. Oof. Okay, Kevin, let's take a look at some charts. Wow, lots of charts coming in today. I like that. More charts, the more progression you do, man. Just keep on sending the charts. As long as they're not shitty charts, you know. Ah, fuck. I think I looked up there. 1 second. Okay, so this is gold. Nice. So sold here because daily bearish, 4 hour, 1 hour, and 30-minute bearish. Okay. Stop loss on the wick. Yeah. TP on 5-minute zone. 16 pips banked. Oh, nice. Wow. So you use like the higher time frames a little bit. Wicked stuff. Close below. Close below as well, so wait for a top wick. Very, very nice. Easy work. I'm sitting here chatting away muted. Oh my god, I've done that before. Finally, GJ's pushing up over here.
I was answering all your questions. Strange, he doesn't react, he just goes on, chat about something else. And then I noticed that was you. I'm only on my first cup of coffee, so might be that.
Yeah, that's true. Max, now that you're talking about sessions and trading times, what do you think about GJ and London session lately? GJ London session. It's been okay, I think. I wouldn't say it's been amazing, but it's been okay. There's still moves to be had every week, so it still averages me about like 2%, 2.5%, you know, every week or so. So yeah, it's like 2 trades basically. So it's okay. So yeah. I think with the sessions, like, oh, which session should you trade? Like, it changes so quickly, man. You gotta just be able to do like 2 of them, really. Bit of an earlier start today, yeah. I said I'm gonna start trying to get on at 7. It has not been a vibe. I'm not gonna lie, I'm fucking knackered. I didn't really go to bed that late. It's just tired.
You just have to get used to a slightly different sleep pattern, and after a couple of days you'll be fine. Of course, a long weekend isn't going to help.
Yeah, exactly. Oh yes. So yeah, I mean, anyone else see any ideas of what they may want to see for trading this morning? Because for me, I'm not seeing too much. Why is this trading to gold? I try and get up at 7 o'clock, and then the move happens before 7 again. 6:30. It's like, bro, I'm never gonna get any sleep. But yeah, I do think above this area could be kind of nice. So yeah, 150 people in here. Make sure you like the stream up, and we'll see what we can do today. Tomorrow, I'm gonna post our GJ trade we took on NY session yesterday, which unfortunately we had to close out early because it was fucking about. However, after was delicious. So we took a sell. I took a sell here when this candle made a top wick and then flipped. We took a sell. The stop loss was here. Was it that? No, it was not that. What the fuck am I on about? Sorry. Where is it? Yeah, here. Okay, so I took a sell here. Stop loss was above here, so 9 pips. And yeah, I mean, I was targeting this support first, and then clean candles to the left. So ran nicely, about 40 pips. But if you look on the 5-minute, we were fucking about so badly. in this area. Price came down, wicked all the way back up, and then came all the way down, then wicked back up again. It was floating, and then it started driving with some news over here. So, but that was nice. Very, very happy with that. I wish I held that on because it would have ran like 40 pips. Someone in the group, when I put the signal on, they took the signal, went for a shit, came back, and like, wow, I'm up 37 pips. That was great. Jeffers, you tell me to
I would
zoom
never
in.
risk that.
I know, yeah, me too.
If I'm in a trade and I have to take a dump, I take my laptop with me or I just wait it out.
Yeah, exactly.
Pinch,
Suffer.
pinch.
Pinch. Yeah, it paid off for him, eh? He's gonna do that more often now. Thank you, Mama. So yeah. So yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, this for me is like a no trade range. Why? Well, because it is in a range, first of all, and also we are in between the daily and the 4-hour flip, and fuck playing on that. If you're in the daily and the 4-hour flip, it just shows that price is ranging. Same kind of thing for GJ here. Buying the highs as well, I fucking despise. So we've got to wait for maybe some support to form like 650 here. We'll see. And gold is doing its own thing right now. The 30-minute did close bullish. Still got 30 minutes left. 50-minute closed bearish. So yeah, kind of hard one. We'll see. My only issue is I don't want to do what I did yesterday and take sells when I know gold's bullish as shit. Like this daily time frame is just gonna launch today. So I'm just want to be a bit cautious with the sells.
I just want to try and get into a move like a gold like this and just hold it.
Yeah, I know. Well, yeah,
Just
we'll
let
see.
it go. Like,
Yeah.
sorry.
We've seen like with this week like 2 or 3 times there's been little moves like that. So we'll see it like.
It's literally done this. It just reverses at support and then boosh.
Yeah, but the good thing is it taps the support like a good fucking 3 times, then it launches, so you don't have to like rush into it, which is quite
Yeah.
nice. Which is quite nice. Had time when I had possible to sleep only for 4 hours. Wait, what? You just don't like getting up early, as all these have been to take out. What? Yeah, getting up early is just one of the worst things in mankind. Who the fuck came up with getting up early? It's disgraceful. It's fuck. Thing is though, I say this, but like since the age of 12, I've always been up early working because I've just always had a job to like get up early. But I don't fucking like it. I fucking hate the mornings. But I do it every morning. And if I sleep in, if I have no work in the morning, I do naturally wake up about like half 8 now because I'm doing this every fucking day. Nah, I need to piss every morning as well. I get woken up by my piss more than I do than just woken up. 4 hours sleep is really my absolute minimum. What? Nah, 4 hours of sleep for me. I fuck the next day. I'm going back to bed. I think my lowest. Well, last night I got 7 hours, and I think if I got anything less than that, I think it would be rough. Lately, I've been taking cold showers because it's better than hot showers. Are you doing this too? Yeah, I take cold showers every so often. I take, to be honest with you, I'm not gonna lie, right? I have a warm start of the shower just to, you know, make me feel a bit like not wanting to kill myself, and then I fucking start like turn it cold, and then like I'll just nuke it at the end and then jump out. So yeah. So you're going in for a low risk gold sell? I don't know. We'll see. I don't know yet because after 30-minute close bullish, so I ain't rushing into it. Yeah, people who sleep for 4 hours, you can still do their whole day. Oh my god. Please check my chart. I will if you send me it. But it's not there because you probably sent me the full link. And the full link does not show up on YouTube. Oh, GJ. Breaking the higher previous 15, coming up to this resistance over here. Interesting. If this 4 hour closes above, it's going to be nice. So yeah, just a little word of check before that message yet. It's not there, bro. Look. This is what I see. Look to the left. This was your... Please check my chart. Look above. It's not there. YouTube does not show links. For some reason. I know you can see it, but I can't. Asian highs and lows always get retested on GJ London trades. Yes. Was that the Asian high? Yeah, it was as well. Yeah, that entry there was pretty nice. How do you get stopped out of break even though? That's why I don't get. Because it was 673. That was like 68. Oh no, yeah, 1 pip. 1 pip.
That's for the spread. It was just before
yeah.
the spread went up.
Oh, that's
it was
annoying.
0.8. Yeah.
Oh,
But that's out your hands. You can't do anything about it.
yeah, exactly. I wake up during the after dreaming about charts. Not good. It messes with. I don't really dream about charts anymore. I don't really do it. I think it's because you. I think the thing is when you do it every day and it's like your job, it's less. It's less exciting as it is if you're just doing it for a bit of fun. Which is fair enough. Like you can't dream of that M2. Because like every job you do, if you're doing it every day, you're not gonna like it as much as you do it if you just do it for a hobby, you know. So for me, like after 2:30, like in a day, I'm fucking done with charts. I don't want to look at it anymore. Like it'd fucking bore me. Cause it's like my job now. Like I just do my job, I finish, and I fuck off. Like, yeah. So yeah, let's take a look here. Oh my god, did anyone, just think about dreamers. Anyone had sleep paralysis? Holy shit, it is fucking awful. It is the
I haven't had sleep paralysis, but when I had my nightclub, obviously I worked till like 4 in the morning, right?
Yeah.
So when I sold it, it took me about 6 months to get my sleeping pattern back to normal.
Really?
It was quite hard, yeah.
Yeah. Nah, I got sleep paralysis once in first year. Holy crap! It is the worst experience ever. Like your brain is awake, like you're awake, but you can't move your body, and then like people like see things. Like I had a fucking what are they called? You know those things that suck your soul in Harry Potter.
Dementors.
Yeah, I had one of them fuckers at the bottom of my bed. Oh my god. And you couldn't like look away because your fucking body, you couldn't move it. It was horrendous. Yeah. It was horrendous. When you're in a trade, how do you get the pip count on your MT5 in the corner? It is magic keys. Yeah. Can't see it. I just sent the last letters. Nope, still can't see it, my man. Not there. If you buy GJ now, how do you determine your target, your TP? Not so much info at the left anymore. Exactly. So you kind of just, you know, if you're taking buys here, you got to just close some partials. Let's take a look on the daily. Yeah, man. Kind of hard, eh? So the first resistance that I see is here, 165,300 on the daily. So that's probably where you would want it to continue to, I'm assuming. So yeah, that could be a nice little target. So yeah, you just look left and just pull some resistances that happened before. They are obviously kind of like not very strong because they haven't been there for a while, so you got to just look at psychological points. So from here you've got 165, which is there. That's the first one. So that's probably the first zone to take some money. Take some money out. So yeah. Take some money out. 184 people in here, amazing stuff. Yeah, and we've just hit 4,500 subscribers. Very, very nice. I was thinking, guys, what do you guys want me to post on Instagram? What would you guys want me to post more on? Because I want some more ideas. What do you guys want me to do? Do. What day is that on? Oh, Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday, 26th. Nice. Dance moves. You want me to post some dance moves? Instagram only looking at chicks. Change my mind. Okay, then I won't. I won't put anything on Instagram then. You can post more about your risk management and times you trade. That's a good one. Risk management, yeah. Everyone's wanting the risk management. Oh, let's retap that level again. Oh my god. I'm probably just gonna wait for this hourly because I think it might retap it again and then maybe go for a cheeky buy. How much would the stops be? Oh shit, 1 second. What the fuck? 20 pips for 70 pip gain. Interesting. My Max, this small account you're trading is linked to a bigger one or both in IC markets. Both in IC markets, oh man. Both in IC markets. Oh yeah. Yeah, both on IC markets. Let's take a look then. Yeah, still nothing much. Looking like GG's rejecting the highs right now. Kind of struggling towards this resistance here. Interesting. Can this move on gold be the 4-hour pullback? Yes. Exactly, and the 4 hours retesting the previous zone. So, yeah, I'm going to try and maybe get into a cheeky entry sooner or later. Because you all know this daily's going up, man, just like yesterday. Just joined. Love the vibes. Thoughts on GJ? I'm looking to buy Scout when it breaks high to 155, depending on the formation. 155? I think you mean 165. Yeah, I'm just looking for a closure above, I think, here. Yeah, towards the start of London, I'll look for a closure above 164.834. See if we can get a nice closure, something like this maybe. 1 second. Something like this. Nice strong closure, maybe even stronger than that. Nice low wick on the hourly. Flips, exceeds the high, get the push like that. That's what I'd want. If it doesn't do that and it plays in this area, that's fine. Sells are not taken in this area here. It just looks a bit too dodgy for me. I drew my first million. So yeah, I'm excited to go through that homework with you guys tomorrow. We'll do that in the middle of the day or something. We'll find a good day. We'll find a good time in the day, sorry. to do it. Hope you're good, man. What do the daily and 4-hour flips mean? These daily and 4-hour flips just show me that where the higher time frames are. So I can look at this 30-minute chart right now, and I know that the 4 hours bearish, the daily's bearish. So for me, I'm going to be focusing on taking sells right now. But obviously this is different really on gold, because sometimes we'll take buys here. But it's just to see, and then obviously when price comes above here, we know that the 4 hours changing direction. Because you know, if you can see the higher time frames changing direction, it's going to be very interesting. Think you'll ever upload a backtesting session for London? Yeah, for YouTube. Yeah, we will. I will. I've got to do some more YouTube, man. Yeah, I've got to get my ass together. Just so busy after work. Have you ever looked at EJ or UJ, thinking to trade them? Because I see that you already have 2 GPY pairs. UJ is kind of slow, I think, and I think EJ is as well. So that's why I stick with these two. I want to see. Oh, April 23rd. That's gonna be sick. Yeah, that was just it.
Well, they were hanging on in there again defensively, Manchester
That
City,
guy
but
was
they
so
got the job done in
fucking.
the end. Ake has come on actually and been absolutely brilliant with his positional play.
I didn't even see that.
We don't want to
Look
see
at this fight. They
there.
fucking loads of
They're all
shit.
getting involved now. This is what we don't want to see. Phil Foden was tackled by Felipe, clearly hurt in the challenge, and now it's all kicking off. And Stefan Savic is out of control, Glenn.
Yeah, totally out of control and out of order. It really is. They've lost the plot.
They lost the plot at the end. Oh, I knew they would. Yeah, Brian loves football. Thomas Myers, how did you get over to not get stressed about watching money go up and down? I'm getting less and less, but I feel my heart beat. I can't seem to change the. So the issue you're probably doing there is you're probably risking too much, or so. This is the thing, right? You're either risking too much in your account, or your account size right now is bigger than what it should be. So what I mean by that is the money. I mean, this is kind of personal, but I'm just saying what I think this is going to be. The money that you have in your trading account may be quite substantial compared to how much money you've got overall. And that's what I did at the start, man. My trading account was huge compared to the money I had just to live, and that is not a vibe, because all of your money's depending on there. You can't. It should be the opposite way around. You should have more money in the bank and less money in trading, and it makes it a lot less stressful. And then I mean, just other things. I take off the whole tools bar on MetaTrader, so I'm literally just looking at a chart. I don't know how much money I've made until I check. It's just chart. So I take that out, and I mean, it just comes with time. But I really do think it's how much money you got in your account. Compared to your bank. For example, me, if I was when I just started, I'd have let's just say I had a £2,000 account, I'd have maybe £500 in the bank. That's not a vibe. You can't do that. It's gotta be opposite. Goldie's coming down.
Still
over
had
here.
500 in the bank. Why didn't you have it all in?
Exactly.
Biscuit for a chocolate biscuit.
Oh, if this hourly closes below, it makes a nice top wick. Shit. Maybe a little drive down. Maybe. We'll see. This hourly's already done kind of the top wick, so might miss it, but we'll see. Still 10 minutes left. Do you have a funded account? Nope, I've got my own big account now. You trade both the session, so which session is profitable for you, London or NY? This question I get all the time, and it depends on the week, the month. It's really, really, really not. What's it called? There's no correlation. It's so random. 1 week NY will be great, 1 week London will be great. It just changes so quick. So doing both of them is needed, to be honest with you. I think if I did one, I think I'd be fucking bored out of my mind. So this zone, you know, still coming in here, still a nice like 43 pips, so pretty good. Gonna quickly go to the toilet and then I'll answer more questions. But looking good, man. We'll see in that gold one. We'll see how big the top wick is. We'll see. Keep my body bumping. Okay. Let me just get my little thing. Okay, so still heading down over here on gold. Still though the zone is pretty good, so nice. The zone is still pretty good, so very nice. Please tell me you got that gold sell. Gold sells have not happened yet. Gold sells may be happening in 6 minutes. What I'm wanting is this next candle to come back up, tap this zone, and flip. That is what I'm looking for. That is what I'm waiting for. That is what I am predicting. That is what I'm wanting to see. So if it happens, I can execute and I'll be happy with it. Because close it back in the zone. Nice zone as well. Not this shitty zone we had yesterday, which I just did a stupid trade on. So should be kind of nice. Yeah, that GJ trade yesterday was nice. It was nice. The rejections was good. Very good. Probably depends on the news or political events this session. Probably it's really so random, man. I'm telling you. Like sometimes London's crap, sometimes NY's crap. Like sometimes one's really good, sometimes both are really good. It's just dependent on the situations right at that time. Really just depends. Looking like GJ and AJ are nowhere near where I want to take trades, so too bad I missed the GJ trade. Yeah, I missed it too because it was way too early. I ain't getting up at 6:30, man. Fuck that. That was probably the trade, and also it would have hit me at break even, so I was happy with that. Gold 4 hour no top wick. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's true. That is true. That is very true. But we'll see. I mean, if it doesn't close below anyway, I'm gonna leave it. But yeah, that is true. GG buys above 156.865. Yep, that looks good to me. Looks pretty good to me. Oh, looking like maybe we're rejecting that area. I'm also going to look for potential buys over here as well. If I can get some nice support formings. So, kind of interesting. Looking like gold's the one we're looking at today, maybe. I never trade Fridays, so in a sense today is the new Friday, so I'm just journaling today. Fair enough. Fair enough. Max, what are your thoughts on taking profits at 10 pips when your stop is 50 pips? I think it is. I think it is a very bad RR, and if you do it that way, you've got to have like 97% win rate, because 2 losses are gonna wipe out fucking 5 wins. Well, 2 losses are gonna wipe out 10 wins. So you've, yeah, it's not the best. So I think that whole question you got about is maybe try and get your stops a little bit better, like, you know, or maybe manage them a little bit better, because a 50 pip stop and a 10 pip gain is not the best. It's not like it's bad. It's just that if you have, like, you know, it's hard because, you know, it's such a low probability you're gonna lose a trade, because, you know, the stops are so big and your winners are so small. Like, the actual distance has to move. But it's just if you have like a bad week of like 3 trades, you've literally just wiped out 15 winners.
It's like all, like, if we take a bad trade out of like emotion or something, our risk is still tiny.
Yeah.
But if you take 2-3 bad losses with that big stop out of human error, you're gonna wipe out like 2 months of or like a month of hard work.
Yeah. Like a 50 pip loss is fucking bad. It's crazy. I can't understand that sort of concept at all. Makes no sense. Yeah. It's like taking a profit at 2 pips when your TP is 10. Yeah, it depends. But if the probability of working out is very high, then, you know, I suppose it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I think sometimes a bit too big. So yeah, looking like gold just came all the way back up again. Holy shit, nice. And if the 4 hours got no top wick, then the probability it makes one will be pretty nice as well. So kind of interesting to see. How much would stops be right now on the flip? 29 pips. Yeah, that's a bit too much for me. We'll see if the next one can make a nice low wick and then flip maybe, and try and get a maybe more aggressive buy. Looking like GJ's coming down. Oof, I mean, let's take a look. Oh, the last 4 hour candles have been pretty bearish shit. It's actually not that bad. Why is my 4 hour flip here? What the fuck? It's there. Oh, okay. So this is maybe a closure back in the zone and flipping the 4 hour. That could be kind of nice. I mean, the zone is pretty garbage, but the range is 24 pips. The only issue is the candles, but the candles are okay until 156,540, which is like basically 10 pips anyway. So, what makes you take entries in the 15? Because they work. They work. Sometimes it's 30, sometimes it's hourly. Just depends on what I can get in. A lot of signal services do this. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of like scamming signal services and Instagram do that a lot. They'll just have like a fucking 200 pip stop and like a 10 pip gain. Okay, 8 o'clock. Okay. So, looking like Goldie's blasting off over here. I'm only going to wait on the retest, probably. But it looks like that 15's kind of already retested, so we'll have to see. Oh, wow. 20% from Ricky. Yeah. One of our guys in here just smashing it. Oh, GJ, no top wick, really? That sucks. Where do you draw support and resistance? Is it mostly in the 30-15 time frame? Yes, on the 15. Because 15s show the supports that maybe in the 30 they can't. So So yeah, we'll have to see. I'm just keeping an eye. I really want this gold to come back over here. Because now I've got the hourly closing bullish. Doesn't have a bottom wick yet, so hopefully it can make one. Like anyone can TP 1 pip in profit and say they have a 95% win rate, but 1 loss takes out 5 to 10 wins. Yeah, very true. Very, very true. MySpace. I never use MySpace, man. I'm too young for that.
I was going to write it now. I was like, I don't think Max knows what MySpace is.
Nah,
you know it?
I didn't use MySpace. I know of it, but I didn't use it.
Yeah, I can just laugh about it.
It was gone by the time I was here. So yeah. Oh, look at GJ. Oof. Okay. Okay. If it rejects that thing. Oh, fucking this yam man kid. Fucking hell. Yeah, we'll see with GJ. Looking like it didn't actually close. The 30-minute didn't close below the 30-minute res. Kind of interesting. It closed above it, so we'll see. We'll see. Kind of a hard session, guys. So if you're struggling to find things, don't worry. It is a hard session. So just subscribe for GJ updates. Nice. Ah, Shaqwheels are fucking spamming the chat. Jesus Christ. Oh, why does it do that? Sometimes it just shits itself, and then it. Oh, it's made the lines awful as well. Second. Okay, let's take a look at this chart. If we can look at it. You're on a GA buy right now. This is on the hourly time frame. Looks good, yeah. Nice. You got in on the flip of the hourly. Now it's closed above. Looks pretty good to continue for sure. Easy work. Very nice. If you join the mentorship, you get Scott now, a little big range trader. Scotty boy hold him on for longer. Yeah, man. If you join our mentorship now, man, you've got so many good traders in here that are smashing it with their little strats. There's so many different strats you can add to your little collection over here. We've got Nas now, so after my pre-NY, Brian does Nas, and every day so far we've had a trade entry that we've been looking at, and people have been taking trades, so very, very nice. And we've already had one simulation session this week. We've got the homework we're going through. So much information, man. You gotta join up. Maybe next week, guys. If you guys haven't joined up yet, I'll probably advise maybe next week on Tuesday, because obviously there's bank holidays and shit. Like they say, not trading is still trading. Probably harder to decide not to trade. Yes, very, very sure. Yeah, I'm gonna join Monday night. Oh, nice, Connor. Yeah, I think we're going to be hitting about 90 people in the mentorship very, very soon, so that's going to be cool. And I may introduce crypto again. If would people like me to introduce crypto again, I might try and do it. People in YouTube and stuff. Tashi, my boy, best mentorship group in the market. Oh yeah. I love the group that we have as well. It's just there's no like, I don't know, like friction. Like some people's chats, they like have arguments and shit. Like we don't have any of that. It's just all helping each other out. It's mad. It's mad. It's beautiful. So yeah, looking like GJ's coming all the way back up. The only issue is that hourly did close bearish, man. I hate taking buys when the hourly close bearish. It just never seems to work out. Where's my video for Zoom? Oh shit, sorry. Yeah, let's do that one. A second. My video for Zoom.
I'll start my morning without to see your face. Can't begin my day.
There's that there. There's the stream now. No macho bullshit here, yeah. I want to join, but the money ain't here yet, so I'll stick for YouTube now. Yeah, man, you get a lot of the YouTube stream here. You get a lot of good information, man, for sure. Will you stream tomorrow? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I mean, if I'm bored and for some reason I'm up at 7 AM, then why not? But I highly doubt that. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I just trust me. Like when I've traded bank holidays, I've just lost all my money. There's no point. Like even if you get into a trade, the way it moves is so slow. Like you just want to rip your hair out. There's no point. Yeah, it's not a vibe. So GJ's reflipped. Yeah, I'm kind of confused, man. Always say this to yourself, right? If you don't know where GJ's going or where the pair's going that you're trading, then just leave it. For me right now, I have no idea if GJ's going to go down or up. It's still in between the daily and the 4-hour zone. Can you see here? So what does that mean, right? What does that mean in terms of like how we trade? Well, so right now the 4-hour is bullish and the daily is bearish. So you've got contradicting higher time frames. So if the contradicting higher time frames, so if you have contradicting higher time frames, how are you gonna know where price goes when the chart doesn't even know where it wants to go? Okay, the 4-hour and the daily have been, you know, open for quite a while now. If they're still ranging in this little area and haven't moved anywhere, how are you gonna guess where it's gonna go? Because they don't even know where it's going yet. So you gotta just relax until it starts moving. Ignacio, shout out to Ignacio. Yesterday he took that GJ sell in NY and he's passed his 200k funded. Congrats. How much were you over by the way? Because it went to like 6 pips, 7 pips, and then fucked about for a while. So I'm like, did you just like, click that bitch so quick? Also, Ibs, congratulations to Ibs. Ibs also is funded now. Nice. A lot of people are getting funded, man. Fucking Brian saying start. Oh, sorry, Ron. I'll take a look at this after. I didn't see this. If you message me on this is the bot. So I only like this is like for people to try and like talk about the mentorship. But just message me on like here. I'll see it a lot. To be honest with you, I'm so shit at replying. Look at this. I need to get better at replying, man. But sometimes I'm just not there. Nice. Wait, so have you got your 200k funded now? Like they're giving you it? Do you have more learning stuff once we buy Telegram? Yeah, you get the whole Google Drive, which gets updated every couple weeks, with all the webinars. So you get this. This is the daily schedule. This is what I want you to be doing every single day. I'll just show you a little glimpse of it. But it's basically what you should be doing every single day. The way we trade, like that pattern and stuff. So yeah, we get that. So that's a good thing to look at. So we've got AJ simulations, we've got GJ simulations, we've got gold simulations, all updating every single week. So you can go through, look at all the simulations, how we work. Excel spreadsheets, these are just all like the cool things you use. So trades of the year, compounding spreadsheet, and the backtesting sheet. And then we have the setups, so all the setups that we use. And then we have all of the beefy webinars. So yeah, over 30 here, over like 37, and I update them every single week. So yeah, and then you get the signals, you get the NY session access, and you get the private, and you get the London session access as well, so you can ask me questions, and you get drop-ins. So there's fucking loads, man. Like, it's not just you get signals, it's you get everything. So funding is supposed to be a rocket ship for the bank account, but the main goal is to own capital. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, I think with funded, if you are like funding stuff, just get that money and whack it in a fucking bank account until you've got a beefy enough amount, and then just trade your own funds. It'll make it so much easier. Obviously, if you're actually fine with it and you actually smash it, then for sure do it. But I just think the better you're on your own, you know, be better. Oh, GJ flipped over here and continued down 10 pips. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know if I like that because the 30-minute didn't close below. What I mean is this. It closed right on the top of it. That was quite a nice top wick, but
the next support break is clean.
Yeah. Well, below here?
Below, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, for sure. Oh, AJ. The only issue is this crap here, man. And this actual 15, the support's down there. So like on the 30. Yeah, that kind of sucks.
Looks like gold's gonna reject down there again, maybe. Came all the way down.
It's a bit choppy in it, but yeah.
It is a bit.
How much stops would be? 25 pips? Worth it? Is it worth it? Oh, it kind of is now on that hourly.
Could be one of those ones that you hold on all the way to the top.
Yeah. Yeah. Worth it 25 pips for a little. Yeah. Let's take a look here. Yeah, we're reflipping. I'm going to take this buy. Alright, I've just got into a buy over here. I'm going to get in. The only issue is 27 pips. Actually, I'm going to put it on the low here. 20 pips. Couldn't actually make the signal over here. It's a bit of a riskier one, so I just want to see this, man, because I think we've rejected it twice now. And I do potentially think we could continue back up. Because the 4 hour doesn't have a top wick either, I think it should at least get to this 4 hour top wick. So yeah, we'll see. So stops right now. 20 pips, yeah, that's okay. And we've got the rejection twice, so I'm happy to hold this, I think. So yeah. So we'll see over here. I got my thing there, yeah. Seen it a couple times, looking great, yeah. After that 5 minutes pushed all the way back up, should be okay. It's just, is that the last low wick? It's kind of hard, you know, you just gotta kind of hope it's a one where you just hold on for a little longer, but if it does work out, it does work out pretty nicely. So we'll see. If you got it any higher, the stops are just gonna be way too fucking big, so. Yeah, we'll see. This is a bit of a riskier entry. It's not like our normal entries, but I just know that if gold, if you find the supports, you're fucking good. 5 minutes just closed bullish. So we'll see. What was my actual entry? 1973.68. So we'll see. Let's take a look at that 5 minute. Yeah, it needs to break above. But it is a key level of support, so. And we've already tapped it 3 times, so. We paper trading? No, I'm actually in this. I couldn't write the signal quick enough, but yeah, you could paper trade it. If you guys are, you know, not used to this stuff or whatever, I would paper trade it. Yeah. So what I mean by the 4-hour thing here is this. So the 4-hour hasn't got a top wick yet. Oh, sorry, yeah, it hasn't got a top wick. The probability it makes one is very, very high. So that's another thing that we are going to be making some support to continue. Because if you look at all the other 4-hour candles, they always have a top wick. So. Is it a paper trade or original, please? I came later. I'm taking this, but I've told people to take this as a paper trade if they're not comfortable with it. So yeah, check AJ's, take a look. Oof. AJ pushing, man. AJ. So you look on the 15, yeah. Nice. My GJ's coming, my goalie's coming down over here. For me, managing risk on these trades as well is not there. That's the lower wick I want it to respect. That's all I've got to do and hope. So yeah. Two minutes left for this 5-minute candle. It's based on the hourly flip really at the support, so we'll see. So yeah, GJ's coming back into this zone now. Interesting, kind of interesting. Yeah, the 15 did close below here, but the 30 didn't. How much was the stops on this 15? Oh, 5 pips. 5 pips. Have you stopped trading G8? Yeah, the spreads are too big, and just the way price moves is pretty gash. So yeah. Isn't a close above 1975 better entry? It's a safer entry, yeah, but the issue is you're not at support anymore. You're a lot higher up, so I take the risk. I'm risking 1%, 1.2% on this trade. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I just know that if it starts pushing up, we're going to be good. But if not, I'm going to take a loss, 1% loss, which is fine. Coming back to that little bit of a support over here, but yeah, we'll see. 30 minutes still bearish. So we'll see. Hey Max, I joined later in the trade. Yeah, a little bit of a gold riskier trade for the support, but we'll see. I told people not to take this if they're a bit risky on it, because it isn't our normal setups. But for me, it was just, I've seen it so many times making some supports that I wanted to take it. So maybe on the reflip now, because it's rejected again, would be nice. I actually may call that out as a signal now, because that would be pretty nice now.
Come on, baby.
Back on the break now, 73. Yeah, potentially come back to 1980 would be nice. Yeah, so I think if it reflips this area back again, that'd be kind of nice. Because it's rejecting it like for like the 3rd time. 5-minute candles are kind of fucking about though, but we'll see. GA and GN have the horrible spreads. Yeah, exactly, man. They sure do. I really thought that 5 minute pushing up was going to be nice. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, GJ just in that zone, guys. Nothing much going on. You are in a trade now? I was in the trade at the start, yeah. I'm in it now, but I've put on a signal if it reflips now. If it reflips now, fuck me. It's reflipped like 4 times. It should be nice to continue.
Oh, here we go.
Look how many times it's tapped that area. It's worth it, man. This could be a fucking nice little rocket to 4-hour flip, at least.
If this jets off, I might try and hold this.
Yeah? Yeah, go for it.
I reckon. Maybe not hold it, but like try take 20 or 30 pips.
Yeah. Breaks that
Just
hourly
go
high,
BE and hope.
Just need to get past this little 5 minute resistance there. Like right here. That'd be good. The guys in Zoom are much louder than you are they? Shit, is my thing maybe loud? Or maybe I'm just speaking quiet. So hourly's flipping back up over here. Just need to get that little volume over here. It's 22 minutes past 8, so perfect time for London volume.
Let's see. Boom! Plus 300.
That's what the NAS
yep,
was.
close.
Fucking rocket. It just needs a 5 minute closure above Moy. Yeah, this is one where it's a lot of a waiting game and just holding on to the support. If it breaks it, it breaks it, you know. There's no point in moving your stop here, man. If this breaks here, it's going to continue down and may come to 966, so. The reason why I like it is because it's good R to R if we continue up, so yeah. So yeah, 250 people in here. Sheesh. Max changing the range. What the fuck? Well, you gotta. Sometimes you gotta adapt, man.
I love that backlash from the chat.
Wait, what?
They're just as soon as you take a trade that's slightly different, like, oh, you just why doing this, why doing that?
They're like, yeah. I'm like, bro, I've told you this is a different entry than normal. It's just I know if this holds supports, I'm gonna be in some good R to R, so I'm fucking taking it. I'm risking 1%, so or 1.2%. I made 11 last week, so I couldn't really give a fuck.
Just can't quite get back past there, can it?
Nah. I think when it starts going, but also it will do it for the sell as well. But I'm still happy with this stop, to be honest. Really want this 30 to push before though, in like 5 minutes. We'll see. Can't wait to have that 11% week. That's 20 bands. Yeah, that's nice. That would be pretty beefy. 20 grand. That would be tasty. 20 grand. Oof. That'd be absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, looking at the 5 minutes now, it's kind of fucking about over here. But anyway, we'll see.
Right back at that support again.
Yeah. Yeah, it's crap price action on the 5 minute. But anyway, I'm just looking at the higher. We'll see.
Yeah, but the support, the high time frame support is holding up. bit of rejections on the 15, so
Yeah.
don't get too anxious yet. I mean, obviously gold does move faster and it wants to move, but
Yeah. Yes, sir. And damn, if this trade doesn't work out, run up your gold sells. Holy shit. If it breaks them lows, damn, it's going to come to 1967. Do you trade for an account? No, I do not. For the 15,000th time. My Forex fund is the best. It's not got the best spreads, so I think it's okay, but I think the spread's pretty garbage on them. Which kind of sucks. Spreadaroo. So yeah. GJ still nothing really that I see. GJ fake out buy. Nah, buys would have to be still above 164655 because it's still in that zone again. Fuck off, Scott. I see it and then I just see your name like, oh, for fuck's sake. Stop showing me red candles, boy. Flip up. 2 minutes left for this 30. Don't know if I want this 30 to close. Still on the hourly's decent though, so we'll see. How are you managing this? I don't know. Because it's at support, it's kind of like less of closures and just holding the zone. So I'm probably just gonna hold it still.
Would you close if it closed below this support?
Yeah,
Yeah, probably.
you just don't know how far it's going to push to close below. So that's, you've got to take that decision if it's straight.
Yeah,
You know what I
exactly.
mean? You don't know where it'll close.
Yeah. Minutes time. Do do do. Gold isn't our best. Yeah, recently. Well, we've only taken 2 trades. Last 6 trades before them, they're pretty good. But yeah, looking like we're coming down now. No. Hold your fortress. GJ still range. AJ still range. Bitch.
If this thing builds support again, Yokes are going to be smiling, I reckon.
Yeah. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Ah, yes, look at that 1 minute. Look at that 1 minute. Give me some volume. 8:30, perfect time. Still holding that res. Yeah, I'm holding this fucking stop, man. Don't play with me. Don't play with me, Goldie boy.
Yeah, it's still going to close above it.
Yeah. Gold cells would be lovely. 1964. Not gonna lie. 1964. Yep. Yeah. If this closes below, for sure. For sure, dog.
I just retest the zone again and then fly back up, baby.
Yeah, boy.
I think the Yokes are going to be happy with this, I think.
Look at that. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me.
Now's the perfect time for to get in if you want to catch the monster trade. You know,
Yeah.
if it is planning on going up.
But if you get in now and then put your stop where mine is, it's only still 13 pips to be fair. That's alright.
That's alright.
Yeah.
This just isn't creating the top wick to go back down.
Nah. 15 didn't close below.
Or just flips this whole 4 hour and you're smiling.
Yep. Come on, bitch, stop playing with me. Come on, bitch, stop playing with me. Come on, bitch, stop playing with me. So as long as it holds that thing with fucking Gucci, you just have to hold it on longer. Don't fucking risk manage, just hold that bitch on.
Exceed the highs. Come on. You know you want it.
Just need a nice strong 15 closure here and it would be fucking guns away. So, how much your stop loss? I don't know. Oh, get in.
Hello.
Fucking get in.
That's what we want.
Support,
I'm holding this shit on a bit, I reckon.
Yeah, I'm not closing. If you're in this trade, don't fucking close, like break even at like 7 pips. There's no fucking point. Just hold the bitch on. If you lose, you lose.
You lag a range trade.
Yeah, it's in a range. You gotta hold that bitch on.
Are you gonna go B at like 10 or 14 pips or something?
Yeah, maybe 1975. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. For me, I just know if you get a break even too early, you're gonna fucking be pissed off with yourself because after
yeah,
retest
we've been
that
there,
support,
done that.
man.
Remember what happened to me the other
And I
day?
think we can put break even after we break the highs. But 74, 70, 74, 80.
Yeah, maybe if you fancy, yeah. If you want to, I may hold this on.
I am
I may
thinking
hold
to
this
put,
on for the whole range, like, maybe to 90. But we'll see. We'll see. I mean, do what you want to do.
Yeah,
but
I'm
we'll see.
thinking the same.
If it's 5-minute closes. Oof.
I like that it's broken that previous hourly highs now.
Yeah. Well, nearly on mine.
Is it not
This
break?
also could be the daily bottom wick.
Oh, fuck it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly, man. That's why I'm like, fuck. If this is the daily bottom wick and I'm riding this motherfucker to 1996, oh my god. That's why I'm doing these moves. I know they look sketchy and it's like fucking hell, like you're not risk managing, but the probability that if this continues over here, you've got a fucking sick entry to continue. So there we go. Hit
Because if you look at the
12.
Yeah.
rate of resets on 4 hour as well, look at the 4 hour.
Here we go, boys.
So-
I'm going BE now, maybe.
If you guys want to take some positions over here, we just hit TP1, so well done. Beautiful, nice.
I'm holding.
I'm gonna take some positions at the 4 hour flip, maybe.
Yeah, beautiful work,
I
guys.
see it's the hourly res on the 4 hour or the 4 hour. Open,
Yeah, I want the far flip.
Yeah, because if that 4 hour holds, then that's support form. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Then it's the bottom wick on the 4 hour.
Yeah. I'm not at break even yet, guys, but people who are on the mentorship and stuff and wanting to take profits, you're up nearly 1-to-1 soon. I'd take some off, maybe put break even, whatever, but I'm just going to hold it on. I'm happy to risk 1% for maybe a fucking 10% gain, so. This turns out to be a sick trade. I'm telling you, man, don't play with me. I've seen it happen too many times, man. I'm fucking being pissed off missing it every time. Beautiful gold trade over here. This is going to be a nice runner of a trade. Up 13 pips already. Got some W's in the chat. Make sure to put some W's in the chat over here, guys, if you did catch that. If you didn't catch that, then that's fair enough as well. You know, it was a harder trade. You got to hold it a little longer. Very nice. I'm holding. Yeah, fair. I think it's worth it. If you've only risked like 1% here, I think it's really worth maybe holding on a little longer. But don't be pissed off if it doesn't work, you know. For me, it's just a nice level of support. Wow, loads of W's in the chat.
What you think there on the level?
Would you consider breaking even at a 4 hour flip?
Yeah. To be honest, it depends though, because it still could wick you out easy, man. I don't know. It depends what you want. It depends what you want. Coming up 17 pips over here now. Beautiful work. TP2 hit over here, 20 pips.
4 hour flip.
Oh, I feel like closing a little bit, but I just know I should.
Nah, Finn. I think you should, Finn, if you're big. Cause I know you don't risk like fucking normal amounts. You'll be up like
It's a
fucking
good call,
4%
Finn.
or some
Just
shit.
take something.
Yeah, I'm not funding challenge and I'm closing something.
Yeah, close some guys. Beautiful.
Take some off, Finn, you fucking pussy.
Yeah, I did.
What happened to? I think I'm gonna hold this one.
You can't fuck got in my head.
Oh, whatever.
I just took a little bit off there. I just took 50% off at 20 pips. Nice. See what the rest can do. I still generally think that it may hit you out here and then continue later on, but it could just start stinking here. So people holding this on.
I think this thing's gonna steep.
Yeah. So we look 4 hours flipping now. Okay. Keep on running that bitch up. 30 pips stinker. Let's get it. Let's get it. Amazing dubs in the chat. Jeez.
Just close full.
Nice, man. Fucking tasty. Don't play with me. Don't fucking play with me. Amazing.
It's that 1 minute support, man.
Yeah, I'm telling you, man.
To be fair, I was getting a little sweaty when it was right down the bottom there.
It does, man. But that's the thing with this goal. As long as it fucking holds it, you know, you're good. But sometimes it will just fucking launch straight past you. Ah, yeah, well, you know, I took it. But so now, so this, guys, this is when, you know, Ted and Raja, etc., get these 100 pip moves. Because look now, right? Their entry's all the way fucking down here. The probability that they can hold this motherfucker on now, if this flips over here, look at the daily time frame and continue to 1996. This is when you get his stinker moves, but you got to just hold it on for a lot longer. Obviously, it's London, so London has less volume, really. If this is NY, it'd be probably up here already, 1979. But that's like the main thing. I want to get in at supports. If you know the daily's bullish or the structure's bullish, then yeah. So I took some more off there at 30. Yeah, I want to close. Nice. And see how far we can run over here. Close full 30 pips bagged. And nice work, guys. Congrats. Congrats. Well done. Well done. Close full 35 pips. Oh. Look at that fucking spaceship, man. So yeah.
This thing is gonna give another jump watch. This thing's gonna fly.
Yeah.
It's too strong for it to come down.
Yeah.
Once it flips the daily, it's going, baby.
Yeah, man. It might even. It's been moving quite a lot in London actually recently as well. So yeah, it might do. But yeah, people in the YouTube maybe who haven't like closed anything yet.
Fuck.
maybe close like little bits as well. You know, don't just fucking have like 39 pips in your screen and not take any. No, it's stupid.
I close everything.
Nice, Michael. Good lad. 25% running. Nice.
1.6.
Nice.
Yeah, I want to finish this challenge. I got 3 free challenges.
Get this one done.
I finished 3 monthly profits. But didn't reach 10%.
Yeah. So good they give you a
Max,
retry.
what was your entry, Max?
1973.6.
Okay, cool. I'll let mine set.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice work, guys. Amazing. Oh my god. Wow, yeah, so we've had a bit of volume here with us because the other pairs have all moved as well. That's nice. Nice to get into a trade with a bit of fucking volume.
I've been watching GJ. Who got the
Yeah.
He says Scott is still holding full position. I guarantee you.
Nah, I didn't even take it. I was on the phone. I wasn't here.
Oh,
Daily
Scotty.
flip.
Dude,
Here we go. This
that's
is going.
Ian, what about you? Are you still
Yeah,
in?
I've still got some running. Yeah, I
Let's
closed
go.
70% at 24, I think.
Nice.
So happy days.
I close all. Joining your mentorship. Where do I sign up on Telegram, Max? Yeah, just follow the Telegram link. Follow the Telegram link in the box
it's
there.
nearly fucking. Damn.
I close 50 right now. Nice, man. Nice. Amazing work. Easy. Even though it was maybe your balls were a bit sweaty at the start, you know, it's worth it. It's worth it.
Yeah, but you got to get used to that. You know what I mean?
Beautiful. Look at that.
You just gotta trust it, don't you?
Yeah.
Do you guys remember when Jason said I was shitting my balls?
So another thing, guys. Another thing. So yesterday we took a gold trade. Now, did you see that gold trade? I took a 10 pip loss, and now we just made 46 pips. So, you know, always losers a lot smaller than your winners. That's what it's gotta be.
Have you closed any yet, Max? Or are you still holding?
Yeah, I closed 50% at about 30 pips, and then I've got. Then I closed another 25 at 40. So yeah, I've got like 25 left. Just to see. I'm just gonna hold it until we break. I mean, I'll probably close like 1996. I've already made enough on that trade to be happy if it hits break even. But I just think it has, because our entry's so nice and low, it may just hold on. You know
as
what I
long
mean?
as you can survive,
Yes.
there might be a pullback to 4-hour flip. If you survive that, then
Yeah, like maybe a
and they
pull
should
like
be good to
there. I'd say like that, maybe like the sweet spot,
Yeah.
maybe like holding these wicks, so might be all right. And then if you got that, man, shit, you're gonna get a 200 pip trade today.
Have you got the 2-hour chart, man? Just check the 2-hour chart. I would just check the daily flips on support as well. So I kind of closed more the last bit.
On the there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fair.
Which I think a lot of people took at the daily, but they took another portion off.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So how much drawdown do we have to take there? We have to take like, is it like 12 pip? Is it 12?
It's still not bad if you look at what the stop losses are normally for gold.
Yeah, I think it was about 12. Yeah, that wasn't bad at all, was it, right? I'm pissed I did a tiny lot. Oh. Nah, but that's good though, man. Nah, you could have made bank, but it's the whole process of, you know, it was a riskier kind of trade that we normally do. I closed -11, then got back in late.
I
Oh,
didn't
thank
have enough
fuck for
risk
that.
on either.
Yeah.
I should have put a little more risk on. I got like 2.something%, so still good.
Yeah. That's good.
Like, it feels so good to be able to draw down.
I was thinking to add another position when 5 minutes break the high of the prev candle.
Yeah. Nice. I didn't really understand the trade. Yeah, we'll go through it. We'll go through it as a whole in the NY session. But yeah, I mean, it genuinely was, right. These are my conferences, right. The 4-hour had no top wick, so I knew probability-wise the 4-hour was going to make a top wick. So that's the first thing. Price was at a level of where price could make a support. Can you see where we got in? It was literally right at that resistance. So resistance was here, could make some support there. The daily time frame, the previous day, the previous daily closed very strongly bullish. Clean candles to the left, very strongly bullish. We know that in the mornings through Asian we get a pullback, and then normally maybe London, NY, we get this drive up, okay? So I had that in the back of my mind. I was like, right, if I can get in this entry where we have a little support on the low of the daily, we're going to have such a good R to R to continue up on that day. So then when I'm looking down over here, I'm looking at, right, well, where was past resistance and support? Well, resistance here, support kind of here. So this looks like it's a key level. I kept on seeing these candles tapping into the level. I was like, right, if this hourly candle, because if you go back in the stream, I say, you know, if this hourly candle closes, you know, not below, and it actually closed bullish, made a low wick, tapped the previous zone, that's literally, if you go back in the stream, that's what I said I was looking for, okay? So then when it happened, I'm like, shit, okay, even though the 50-minute looks like garbage, I wasn't really basing it on any of the candles. It's not about candle structure. It's just about holding a zone. The wicks are tapping a zone and never coming below it. So after it's tapped it like 4 times, when we start coming back, I mean, obviously it did come back again. I had to take some drawdown, but it never broke the hourly lows. I was good, so. And it's just hourly support.
And your stop loss was still safe.
Yeah, exactly, so.
To admit, my bowls were sweaty for a bit there.
yeah, me too. But it's worth it, you know, like taking that loss and being up like 40 pips and yeah, like I mean, and this is a good thing as well. Getting into these trades, you can start to really get used to gold and how you know how you're gonna do your runners. So, you know, at the end of this day, you go, oh, maybe I should have just held this. You know, it was worth it. You know, maybe I should have actually just held this whole thing. Or you might go, yeah, you know what, I actually did really well. You know, I closed positions right at these times. I made, you know, I had a 2-to-1 risk to reward. I closed right at the daily flip, and I felt happy with that. And then left a little runner, and it continued up here. The good thing with these entries is because you're so far down now, you know, you've got a lot of room to play with to see where it could potentially continue. So, 89 likes, guys. If you did catch that trade, make sure to like the stream. Run up them likes, guys. Just made you guys some money on a Thursday.
Max, I've got a question on GJ.
Yeah.
If 1 hour closes below those wicks, I see that it was already there and rejected. Would you consider sell positions for
probably there
towards the?
Yeah.
I was thinking maybe even below those wicks.
Yeah, I don't know if I like them wicks. Let's take a look on the lower time frame, 1 sec. So yeah, this is the main level of support. The only issue is this wick now.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking.
Yeah, I hate getting into trades where the wick, where the wick's already pushed so much in the zone. Because for me, it's like, oh, maybe this is rejected because it came all the way back up. So yeah, I don't know about the wick. Maybe, I mean, maybe a closure though. It could be pretty reasonable. So yeah, I'll have to see.
Thanks.
You'll have to see. We won't take AJ ? AJ for me, the zones are nasty, man. Look at the 15. The 15 support's down here, so it kind of sucks. Yeah, I don't like the AJ zone it's in either. I don't like it. So yeah. Let's look here. So through me, yeah, exactly. So we'll see if this can continue. It'll be kind of interesting if it can. So how much was the actual high? 47 pips. Nice. Very nice. Let's look at some more questions. Oh, this fucking chat. Okay, let's take a look at some more questions, guys. Let's answer some more questions in the chat over here. Oh my god. I misclicked the lot size, risked far more than I wanted, and that shit just rocketed. Fucking hell. Some guy just put a bigger lot on it and it just fucking rocketed. The spreads on my FOREX funds are huge. Yeah, on gold are pretty gash, aren't they? I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Classic example of volume waiting to explode. You could see gold barely moved all in the session. Exactly, man. Exactly. And I just say if I know it holds that support, it's gonna push into that area. In terms of improvement, could perhaps a buy stop above the 5-minute high has been better for the lack of drawdown? Let's take a look. That's a good question though. So I got in here on that 5-minute there when it closed back above. It broke the high, so you would have had to take in drawdown anyway. The only thing you could have done is just wait for that 5-minute bullish closure there and just enter straight away. That'd have been 0 drawdown. So yeah, that'd have been a bit nicer. You would have had 10 less pips than me, but yeah, that would have been a lot safer, probably. So yeah. Yo, good morning everyone. Good morning Nav. Good morning. Taking any trades yet? Oh, that sucks, Vincent, man. Only 10%. Man.
Yeah. Did the switcheroo with the numbers and.
Yeah. First time on your stream, and I wanted to find stream trading like my style. Keep it the good work, man. Yeah, man. There's quite a lot. Shout out to like I know, there's a lot of streamers now. I mean, if I started trading now, shit, it'd be so easy to learn. There's just so many streamers, like, and they're all pretty fucking half decent, you know? Whereas like, when I started, there was no one. The hourly flip had no drawdown. But I swear I got on the hourly flip. It was after it made that low wick again, I think. Or like a lower one. Yeah. So I got in on the hourly flip, but just a bit earlier. GJ's choked as fuck. Yeah, man. GJ, I mean, the only thing that I could have possibly said was maybe a closure back below the zone here. Wait for that top wick and then get into a sell, breaking the lows here. Stop loss. Oh shit, 1 second. Stop loss above there to then ride it through the zone. That for me is one of our setups. Which, looking at it now, I probably should have taken. The only thing that was putting me off was the 30-minute didn't close below. But yeah, look at that. Look at that. I tell you what, this happens all the fucking time. Look, right in the 4-hour flip, you're pretty much entering there. Look at the top wick. This is what we talk about. This is the confirmation closure back in the zone. Top wick, flip. I get in on the low here. Why do I get on the low here? Someone tell me why I get on the low here. Why do I get on the low there, not the flip?
Because you can't have stops in the previous candle.
Yeah, exactly. So 7.9 pips, I can get it on the low. And breaking the low, you're gonna get much bigger draw push down. If you get on the flip, it may fuck about for a while. And you know, I want a trade that has the least amount of drawdown. I want a trade to be in profit pretty much instantly. And the best opportunity for that is breaking the lows. So if I can have a 7 or 8 pip stop there on the current high, then yeah, I'm gonna do that. But if this here was, you know, 15 pips, then I would get in on the flip. I'd get in there because the stops, you know, I want it below 12 pips really. So yeah. So looking now like it's chilling a little bit. I hope I can stay on, please, please. GJ been doing this from last week. Yeah, GJ's been pretty slow, man. I've been just trading AJ instead. Hopefully you can retest 1975.6 here and then fucking launch back up, but we'll see. 6 minutes left for this 30. Don't come all the way back. But yeah, that would have been the trade for me on GJ, I think. But yeah, I'll show you why I didn't like it. So look, the 15 did close below, but the 30, look, the 30 didn't. 30 closed right at resistance. There, so could make some support, so that's the reason why I didn't like it. So yeah. So yeah, 101 likes. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Amazing work.
Gotta go, guys. I'll see you at New York.
See you in New York, my man.
See you later, bro.
See you later, alligator. Did you
See
take?
you guys. See you guys.
Did you take that trade session?
See you later.
Me?
Yeah.
Nah.
Oh.
It's just it didn't. I need 1% or 1.5%. I think on a challenge, another one.
Oh, fair.
So
fair,
it's like,
fair. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's just, yeah. Yesterday was the one. You know, I sent the. Yesterday was the one, man. But I just because I got in early as well.
Exactly.
I had the RR, and it just I just want to take like it was a good setup. It's just we saw it the other day. I would say because we saw it the other day. We had a closure at the daily flip. Yeah, and I just want to take for the last percent. Like, just make it simple.
Yeah, you want to close your back in the zone, top wick drive. You want that.
Yeah, just simple. Like,
yeah. That's fair.
Because it's hard because right now I'm doing like two. I've got personal and my funded one challenge.
Wow.
So it's like half the time you've got one terminal open, another terminal open. You do two things at once. It's like, okay.
Did I miss any trade? Yes, you didn't have deep, unfortunately. I'm avoiding this whole range now. Love to see a lot of people giving out free knowledge. Yeah, man. So look at that. Retested the previous resistance. Could make some support. So this could be nice. This could be good. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. Oh! Helicopter. Come to 1981. So yeah, I mean, as long you could get one of those trades every month and just hold it for pretty much, you know, at the highs of the resistance, then close like 80-90% here, then leave a little runner, which will probably also run another 100 pips at NY, but that's pretty much your 10% for the month. Imagine that, fucking hell, just waiting for one of those gold trades like that, taking 10% a month and then not trading until next month, just doing that every month. Trading one gold thing for an hour, after you get it in the month, just leave it and go to the next month. I think though, like, this happens a good like 3 or 4 times in a month.
Just take one of these on a 200. Yeah. Just get absolutely fatty.
Yo Nav, unblock me on controller stream. Mods be tweaking. You got blocked on controller stream. Do people fucking block? Do people fucking block people on that on streams? Have they already blocked anyone? So yeah, I can't really see much yet left. It's at 9 o'clock anyway. So 245 people and 116 likes. Amazing work today, guys. Very nice. Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice. So yeah.
Like I said, this last 10 minutes, anything could happen.
Look at that. Oh my god.
It's horrible to see.
Disgraceful scenes, and it was all instigated by Stefan Savic, who went steaming across to Phil Foden, tried to drag him to his feet. Now all hell's broken loose.
Look, he pulls his hair.
He's pulling Jack Grealish's hair.
Exactly.
Mind you, the referee's got no chance.
Can't have football without a little bit of MMA.
That Atletico Madrid team played dirty, man. Holy shit. Oh, why did that 1 minute come out of nowhere? No. Yeah, they played dirty. Re-entry maybe on gold? No. That's my entry. I'm not going to be re-entering. Because remember, it's 9 o'clock. Like, normally after 9, it kind of like chills until NY. So I want to be, you know, just holding this little run. If it keeps in, amazing. If it doesn't, then tough shit as well. We'll just see. My dad's a Macam. I apologize. Oh, God. Do you have a set time where you like to trade, where volume and liquidity is high? Yes, this time and pre-NY. It's like 12 o'clock my time. You trade where there's the most volume, right? There's no point trading with crappy volume. So, you know, why would I trade, you know, here when I could trade here? You get me. I don't trade Euro AUD. Loads of people talk about Euro AUD. I don't know where they're getting this from, man. Fucking shit pair. Oh no, don't come back. Don't come back. Go all the way back up, you pussy. We'll have to see. 30-minute closing, 35 seconds. Oh, it needs to close above that 4-hour flip, man. If not, then tough shit. So yeah, later on, guys, in the Zoom, we'll be doing the simulation. We'll do it like later on in the day, because I'm busy this morning, and then yeah, we've got NY session at 11:30. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Goldie, fuck up. Get up over there. Oh, did it close above? Oh, they did not close above.
What a rejection on GG.
Yeah, shit. Look how strong that 50-minute candle was.
Yeah, check the 30 minutes.
It's looking kind of volatile, man. It looks like there may be a bit of news over here. I could just have a feeling. Bit of news.
30 pips rejection.
Yeah. Take a look over here.
it's playing in this range.
Brian, did you take that gold trade? Is he here?
No, Brian's gone already,
he's gone.
Max.
He's gone. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it over here. Amazing work, nice trade, beautiful R2R. Made like 2.something% on that bitch. So this week I think I made like 2.8 on that one. I am, I think now about 3% or 4% in profit for the week, so pretty good. And last week I was up 10, week before I was up 6, so there you go. Looking like GJ may get gold may get caught out of here. So that's the issue, you know. You gotta be able to close some because you know things like this will happen as well. So gotta just close as well. But good opportunity. Really, I'm glad I could show you that, guys, on YouTube and how to get in. Maybe some support as long as they hold. You can get some really good R2R trades. Yeah, 972. Yeah, getting really low. Yeah, man. Imagine getting in like there. Oh. Nice. Another great trade. Thank you very much. Yeah, so I'll see you later, Zoom. Thank you very much. I'll see you at 12 o'clock when we can do NY. And we'll smash that as well.
Yeah, see you later, man.
See you later, guys. Peace out. Adios, amigos. Thank you so much, YouTube, for coming on today. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like the stream. And I'll see you guys in a bit. In a while, crocodile. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to like that stream. Let's get 200 likes, man. 80 likes left. Just bash that like button. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys. I might trade tomorrow. I might come on tomorrow. I might not. We'll see. We'll see. Because it is bank holiday, so be careful. Bank holiday tomorrow and bank holiday Monday. Don't just willy-nilly take trades because it's probably going to be zero volume. So be careful, okay? Peace out, man. Adios, amigos.